Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete duplicates records in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to check this uh, article or guide of Salesforce on how you can mass delete duplicate records set through data loader. So basically the data loader is a Salesforce uh, tool that allows you to use mass operations. So here you can log in into your data loader and basically I already logged in, and from there we need just to choose and click export. So from here I'm just going to click export, and basically you will need just to select show all Salesforce objects, and you will need to select duplicate records. So from here I'm just going to add here production, and I'm already logged in. I'm just going to do like that. And basically, I already give access to this one, and I'm just going to allow this connection. So from here, I'm just going to use show standard or quick find any objects, and you will need just to wait. So I'm just going to click on next. And for example, let's search for accounts, and it takes too much time to find all the objects. So let's show custom, or let's hide object name or whatever. So basically you will need to first check all the objects, and after that you will need just to select delete record set or duplicate, and then you will need just to choose the ID, and after that you will be able to return to data loader and click on delete, and you will have your duplicates that will be deleted successfully. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.